everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another subscription unboxing. Like I had mentioned in a few of my previous subscription Saturday videos, I get a few subscription boxes. So I have some makeup subscription, tea subscription, chocolate subscription, jewelry subscription. So I wanted to start a little series where I unbox some of these subscription for you guys, and I'm calling it my subscription Saturday. So if I do have time to film these videos for you guys, these are going to be little bonus videos in addition to my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday schedule. Just because I want to share some of my favorite subscriptions, I thought it would be fun to unbox these for you guys. And you know, maybe you're interested in trying out some of these subscription services. So today I have to share with you guys my Ellie subscription. This is my activewear subscription. Now, Ellie retails for around $40, so like $39.95 or something like that. And you have your choice of either a 3-piece or a 5-piece subscription box. I think the 5-piece one retails for like 60 bucks. So the 3-piece box comes with typically comes with a bra, some type of like pants or leggings, and then a shirt, or sometimes they've even come with a jacket. If you get the 5-piece, it'll either come with an additional bra, it'll come with an additional jacket, maybe additional pants, and then sometimes they include fitness gear for, you know, the 5th item. But the nice thing about Ellie is that you actually get to preview the collection that's going to be releasing, and you'll have an opportunity, I want to say it's the first 3 days or 4 days of the month, to skip your box if you don't like the styles. And they also have 3 different styles that release every single month. So there's like a classic style, a trendy style, and I can't remember what the 3rd style is, but they have 3 different collections every single month, and you get to choose which style you want to get that month. So it is a little bit of a spoiler because you do get to see what's coming in your box, but I think clothing is so personal, so I like the skip option. And you also get to pick out your sizes, so you individually pick what sizes you're wearing for your sports bra. If you're going to get a shirt or your pants, you can customize the sizes and you can change them as often as you need to. So I have 2 months to show you guys. You can purchase add-ons for your box, so some of these styles may still be available as an add-on, and sometimes they have sales for the add-on, so you can just purchase just the pants or purchase just the top. So I figured, why not show you guys this? Previously unboxed this for you guys, or unbagged it, and this is typically the package that it comes in. It's this really pretty like rose gold metallic baggie. So like I said, this is actually May's bag. So the first thing in here is the shirt. I'm gonna back up a little bit so I can show you guys what the pieces are. So this is the Marika shirt. It's this really cool tank. I really like the details on it, and then I kind of like how it runs, you know, throughout the like back or the spine of the shirt. It's super soft. I've loved all of the quality of these shirts that I've gotten in these boxes. I've been getting this subscription now, I want to say about a year, and you know, I've washed a lot of these pieces several times and I haven't had a problem with them ripping or, you know, falling apart or anything like that. Ooh, this is cute. I completely forgot what the design for this box was, but this here is the sports bra. So it has some really cute like crisscross detailing on it. I actually enjoy the majority of their sports bras. They're not always like high impact sports bras, so sometimes I can't use them for running, but I can always use them for weight training. Yeah, so this one right here is the low impact. It has removable cups. The back here actually has like a little clasp, so if you wanted to, you know, unhook it to wear it like a normal like little bra, you could, or you could clip it so it's like a, what are these, the racer back style. So I really like that you can customize it so it's more comfortable for you. I have a pretty big bust. I have to wear stuff that kind of holds everything in if I'm running or if I'm doing some type of activity like Zumba or something like that that has a lot of movement in it, and I've actually been able to wear these during Zumba and during yoga and really haven't had an issue for it. But I honestly can't, like I said, wear them when I'm running. And then the pants actually match the sports bra, so I think this is really cute. So this is the Sanded Dry Walk. It's got like an advanced knitting technology that draws moisture from the skin to the fabric's outer surface where it spreads to evaporate quickly. And this is a capri length. So on the back it's just the navy blue print, and on the front it has, you know, that white stripe kind of going through it, or that white section. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it matches my bra, and then of course you have your coordinating white shirt that would match. I love the fact that I have like complete outfits that I could wear to work out. And honestly, for $40, when I looked into buying like leggings or workout pants, because I have trouble with workout pants since I have such like wide hips, they were around like the $30 or $40 mark. So if I'm gonna pay $30 or $40, I might as well get a whole outfit out of it. All right, so let's move on to June's box. This month they sent an actual box because I think there's a bonus item that they included in here for us. I want to say it's a water bottle. I remember when I first signed up for this subscription, they sent like a rose gold bag. Ooh, this is a really nice water bottle. So it's a rose gold water bottle. It's kind of hefty actually. This is a double wall stainless steel, non-toxic, BPA free. Keeps your drinks warm or cold for 24 hours. I wonder how many ounces. I think this might actually be like a liter. This is really nice, and I like that it has the Ellie logo on here. I'm actually really bad at drinking water, so maybe that'll help me start drinking a little bit more water. And like I said, they actually threw that in as a bonus. I didn't get the 5-piece. This is still the 3-piece collection. So let's go ahead and start with the bra this time. This is really pretty, but I feel like it is a little bit thick for like the spring or summertime. The material actually feels kind of like a terry cloth material. So that's what the design looks like, and I actually really like the backing of this. I've been getting more and more comfortable with wearing these like strappy styled bras, and this is from Ballet Total Fitness. It's got removable cup pads, the straps are adjustable, it's got a moisture performance liner, and again, this is a low impact bra. So let's go ahead and look at the shirt. This is what the shirt looks like. I actually think this is a crop top shirt. I think this is a crop top shirt. So it does have some really nice detailing. I don't know. I don't think I'm quite comfortable to wear this type of shirt yet, but I'll give it a go, see how I like it. If not, you know, when I lose a little bit more weight, I think I might be able to get away with wearing something like this. I personally don't feel comfortable wearing like crop top shirts because I do have a little bit of a belly, or a lot of bit of a belly. But this is from Marika, and the material is actually really, really soft. It feels very like light and breathable. So we'll see. I may just wear this at home. I may not actually wear that if I like go out or go to the gym. But man, am I loving these pants. This is the mid-calf capri from Ballet Total Fitness, and it is this really cute like camo print, and it has this like crisscross detailing down the side of the leg. Really, really cool pants. I'm excited to wear these. They feel very light, very breathable. This is also the same dry walk technology from the last pants, and these are the white gray cloudy camo pants. I like that they do all of the work for me, and they kind of coordinate everything for me, because not all of these brands are the same. So yeah, this is from Ballet's and the pants are from Ballet's, but this is from like a completely different brand, and they kind of put an outfit together for me. And like I said, I appreciate that they pretty much do all the work for me. I just have to decide if I want the outfit for that month or not, or which style that I want. And I love when they include bonuses like this. This is a really, really nice bonus. So that's it. That is my unboxing for my Ellie Activewear subscription. I do plan on doing this every month if I decide to get that month's box. Also, if you're interested, I'm going to be starting to post a little bit more about fitness and dieting and what I'm doing to lose weight. It's going to be like my fitness and beauty Instagram, which is crazyblue1018 Christine_beauty. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm going to be putting like my Fitbit progress on there. I'm only on week 3 of my like revamped workout, you know, fitness, dieting routine. I'd love to get some support. I'd love to support you guys if you're also on a fitness journey. That would be really nice. You know, maybe we can support each other. So feel free to leave me a comment, message me on Instagram, whatever. I think that would be really cool. So please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then on Sundays or every other Sundays, I like to post a weekly makeup basket. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.